So I have an idea. Sharks talk using body language. I've been studying their body language for decades, so I'm an expert. Watch this.
What are you doing? You look like a seal trying out for the Olympics.
Okay, that was silly. I guess it's always better to just be yourself. So I'm just going to use my superpower and keep it simple. So I'll just ask. Can you tell me where the sardines are?
You have to keep swimming down the reef. There's so many of them. Just don't tell them we sent you. It's bad for our reputation.
Thanks, dudes. Your secret's safe with me. Now onwards to the sardines.
Hey, before you go, blow some more bubbles. We like them. They tickle.
All right, here you go. Hey, I have to keep moving on. I don't have a ton of air left. Thanks for all your help.
Good luck.
These playful whale sharks gave me a few clues, so it's time to continue on and head down the reef. Look at this! Huge masses of sardines! There must be millions of them! There has to be some threshers nearby. I'm gonna make my way through some of these bait balls and hopefully I come across one. Guys, these sardines look too calm right now. If there was a predator nearby, fish will be all scattered, moving erratically and nervous. I have an idea. It's time to break out my superpower again to see if I can get some clues. Here we go! Hey, sardines! Good to meet you! I'm on a mission to find some thresher sharks.
Did you say thresher shark?
No. Sorry to scare you. Don't worry, I haven't seen any thresher sharks.
Phew, that really spooked us.
What I want to know is, where can I find thresher sharks? Are there any around here?